Hey, it's Jason with Intricate Coatings. I want to make it real clear based on the thumbnail of this video. I do not use the big box store epoxy. I am merely saying as long as they continue to sell that product, I'll be in business forever. Hey guys, another project here. A little different on this one as well. So in the past I've done some multicolor floors. This one has a step. I will be doing a separate epoxy color here, but using the same color flakes as here. So two different color epoxies, but same color flake, just to give you a slight little difference in color and a difference so people don't trip on the step. Here's the step with the charcoal colored epoxy underneath, and then the light color. It's subtle, but it is there. Give you a little bit of difference in color, so no one's tripping on the step. High gloss.